Hi everyone, this lecture is dedicated for content writer. If you are content writer, you need to some tools which is very costly. Approximately this is approximate 35 plus tools. You can watch now here everything, and all tools are very costly. If you will be calculated his actual price, I think approximately 1 lakh rupees in Indian rupees is, it is too much high. So it's too much high. Okay, and in, if you want to calculate in dollar, I think $2,000, approximately $2,000. And then here is the plan, 799 1799 rupees in INR, and in dollar 25 PayPal dollar. Okay, in Binance you can also buy now as a Binance 22 in Binance. Okay, so if you want to buy this particular project, and you have multiple option for payment like UPI, QR code, Paytm, Phone Pay, GPay for Indian, and for foreigner or outside of the India, credit card, Binance, PayPal, and USDT, BTC, etc. Okay, this is the option how to buy this product. Okay, if you want to buy these tools, you have to go my description link. You cannot search directly from Google, then you will be redirected to another website. So you have to go on my link and go to description. This website is genuine and 100% sure. If your tools not working within 72 hours, you face any problem, full money refunded on your same account where you given the payment. Okay, so let's start it one by one. Jasper AI, okay, Copymatic, Writer, all are the mainly used in writer as a content writer. It's way, if you are beginner, you want to write content for your website or any other your client, so it's good value for money. You can also work with freelancer, Fiverr, Upwork, and so many things. Okay, you can write a multiple content in a day, single day you can write 50 plus article on, and all article will be unique. And if you apply some little bit technique, and the article will be unique and rank very finally in Google. Not face any issue, single issue. And SEMrush is a keyword research tool. And then Chat GPT Premium, wow, amazing. Chat GPT Premium, Invato Element, Closer Copy, Word Hero, Content Bot.ai, Text Wizard AI, Creator AI, Word AI, Word Tune, Linguix Pro, Quillbot, Phrase, Grammarly, Written Niches, and so many different tools. And in last, I think so it's very important now, Article Forest. Okay, Nox AI, Nox Spinner Unlimited, and White Cream is also there. NeuroWriter, wow, amazing. Article builder, Copy Genius, wow. Steve AI, you can create unlimited video content. Wow, amazing. This is the very important for content writer, or you can also buy another plan. And next plan is Light plan, Advanced plan, and Pro plan. If you want to buy light plan in Indian rupees, 249 rupees, in dollar 399 dollar, approximately $4. And here you can watch now 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8, total 8 number of tools, only $4. Okay, approximately $half per tools. Okay, if you will be calculated total number. So here second plan, most advanced plan, is very famous, 1499 in INR, and 21 rupees via PayPal if you are outside the India. So here you can watch now 30 plus, approximately 35 tools. SEMrush, Writer, Keyword, Grammarly, InVideo, Word AI, Invato, and Uber Suggest, Quillbot, and etc. so many things I have already discussed on writer plan. Okay, so third one is pro plan. Pro plan is very famous because of the value of money, only 499 rupees in INR, and if you pay in the dollar, approximately 749 7.5 dollar. Okay, so here you have advanced to like Grammarly, in video writer, word AI, Moz, Uber suggest, Quillbot, and word tune, Canva, word hero, story block, scribe, and skill share. Wow, amazing, I like this. And Nox AI, Nox spinner, PixArt. Wow, amazing. If you want to buy any product from here, you can go with my link, and this is my favorite website, and I have using now this website for long time, not face any technical issue. If you face any problem, his support system is very fantastic. Immediately provide the support, and also 100% money back guarantee if your pack is not working anyhow. Okay, so it's good for me, and I hope so far my content is very valuable for you as a digital marketer and a content writer and etc. Okay, thank you, bye bye.